Most people scroll with the sound off, so if your video doesn't have captions, you're basically losing viewers before they even hit play. The good news is you don't need editing skills or expensive software to fix this. I'll show you how to get accurate, styled subtitles on any video in about 5 minutes, completely free. Start by dropping your video into a captioning tool. Canva, Adobe Express, Clipchamp, and CapCut all work great. They handle common formats like MP4, MOV, AVI, and MKV. And some even let you skip the upload entirely and just paste in a YouTube or TikTok link. Once your video's in, look for the auto caption feature. It might be called auto subtitles, AI captions, or generate captions, depending on the app. Click it, pick your language, and give it a minute or two. Modern AI is shockingly good now, hitting 95 to 98% accuracy on clear audio. Even with great accuracy, the AI will trip up on things like brand names, proper nouns, or technical terms, so take a minute to review. Just click any caption line in the editor and retype it if needed. The timing stays synced automatically in most tools. Now make it look good. Choose your font, color, and text size. Then decide how to export. If you're posting to TikTok, Reels, LinkedIn, or Facebook, burn the captions right into the video as an MP4. If you're uploading to YouTube or Vimeo, export a separate SRT or VTT file instead. Prefer to stay inside YouTube? Upload your video as private first and let YouTube auto-generate captions. Then head to YouTube Studio, click Subtitles, open your video, and use the three-dot menu to download the SRT file. Open it in Notepad or TextEdit to fix any spelling or punctuation issues. Just don't touch the timestamps, then upload your corrected file through that same menu and publish. If you're working with something sensitive, client footage, medical content, anything private, or a video longer than 30 minutes that keeps crashing browser tools, go fully offline. Pair Subtitle Edit with OpenAI's Whisper model on Windows, or use Buzz if you're on a Mac. Both are free, open source, and transcribe locally with no file limits, no watermarks, and nothing ever leaves your computer. That's it. Accurate, styled captions on your video in minutes, whether you want quick and easy or fully private and offline. If this saved you some time, give the video a like and subscribe to Online Tech Tips for more practical fixes like this one.